Now I like the kind life I'm living. Chopping money, always grooving. Party not coming around. Everywhere I bust I throw tables around. So my guy make you know the fun. Baba God don't bless me and wear me the crown. Party not coming around. Everywhere I bust I throw tables around. So my guy make you know the fun. Baba God don't bless me and wear me the crown.
My lovely viewers, this is Celeb Corner on Pizeeto TV. It's still your girl Tinaj. An event like never before, a show of culture and traditions, a day to showcase our cultural heritage, celebrating our sons and daughters doing well in different areas of life. Ogbako Umu Igbo is here to stay. Performing on stage that day are our international superstars: Zoro the swag bag, Zutyladon the superman, Nso Egwu Odum, Obipraise, Obiorah, success dance flavor, Igbo, and many of them. We'll be preparing different kinds of Igbo foods and edibles. You know now, Oba, Abacha, Isiu, Ngwangwo, you know all those things. I know you'll enjoy it. We'll be preparing all kinds of Igbo soups, like Oha soup, onugbu soup, okazi soup, all kinds of Igbo soup, nsala, and many kinds of them, many types of them. The concept cocktail by Marc will be giving us all kinds of Igbo drink, you know. Enjoy yourself to the fullest. Igbos and non-Igbos are like. 3rd August 2019. Venue: Sand Beach National Stadium, Lagos. 3 p.m. dots. Make sure you are there. This is Celeb Corner on Pizeeto TV. It's your girl Tinaj.